Updating the BIOS on HP consumer desktops in Windows 11. Updating the BIOS is recommended as standard maintenance of the computer. If your computer can boot into Windows 11 and you have internet access, you can use HP Support Assistant to find and install BIOS updates, or you can manually install BIOS updates from the HP Support website. To manually install BIOS updates, first, gather the required BIOS information for your computer. In Windows, search for and open System Information. Write down the system name, motherboard ID or baseboard ID, BIOS version, and processor name. To prevent possible problems, close any open applications and temporarily disable antivirus software and BitLocker before updating the BIOS. Close any open applications. Temporarily disable your antivirus software. In Windows, search for and open Security and Maintenance. In the Security and Maintenance window, click Security to access the Virus and Threat Protection settings, where you can disable the antivirus software. Temporarily disable BitLocker drive encryption. In Windows, search for and open Manage BitLocker. The BitLocker drive encryption window opens. Click Suspend Protection. Then click Yes to disable BitLocker protection. Caution: if BitLocker is not disabled, the next time you restart the computer, the BitLocker key might not be recognized. If you do not know the BitLocker recovery key, you might lose data or need to reinstall Windows. Download and install a BIOS update from the HP website. Go to the HP Support website and let HP detect your computer, or enter your computer's serial number, then click Submit. In the drop-down menu, select Windows 11 as your operating system. Then select the version of your operating system. Click Submit. In the BIOS System Firmware section, download and install the BIOS updates using the download link. Caution: read the Details section to confirm that the BIOS update is more recent than the one installed and that it applies to your computer. Installing the wrong BIOS could cause your computer to stop working. Once the file is downloaded, browse to the folder or desktop where you save the downloaded BIOS update file. Then double-click the file name to start the installation. Caution: do not turn off or restart the computer until the update process completes. Click Next on the HP BIOS and System Firmware window. Note: windows that display during the update process might vary depending on your computer. Select I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then click Next. If a Location to Save Files screen displays, click Next. On the HP Firmware Update and Recovery window, select Update, and then click Next to prepare the update. On the HP Firmware Update and Recovery window showing your computer's information, click Next. On the HP Firmware Update and Recovery window that informs you about a reboot, click Next. A message displays, informing you that the firmware installation was successful. Click Restart to complete the update. If the update fails, a failure screen displays with additional information. The system might run a BIOS recovery after restarting. Do not attempt to turn off the computer if this happens. If a 251 or CMOS checksum error displays after the update, go to HP and Compact Desktop PCs, error CMOS checksum bad to resolve the issue. When the lock screen displays, sign into your computer. If BitLocker was suspended, use the previous steps to resume protection to re-enable it. Follow the previous steps to re-enable your antivirus software. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.